In this video, we're going to show you how to use Zotero 7 to cite sources in Microsoft Word Desktop and create a fully formatted bibliography. Note that Zotero is only compatible in the desktop version of Word, not in the online version. Step 1. Open Zotero in Microsoft Word. Begin by opening Zotero on your computer. Next, open your Word document and look for Zotero in the top menu. Click Zotero to open the Zotero toolbar. Step 2. Insert an in-text citation into your Word document. To add a citation, place your cursor exactly where you want the citation added into your paper. Then click Add Edit Citation on the Zotero toolbar. For the first citation entered, Zotero will prompt you by asking which citation style you prefer to use. For this example, we're going to choose APA and select OK. Zotero will automatically format your citations and reference page correctly according to the style that you chose. Next, Zotero will open a search bar and bring the Zotero library back into view so that you can see your list of options. Start typing the title or author of the source that you want to use for this citation. Select the correct source from the list, and click the arrow to save and enter the citation into your paper. Now you will see your in-text citation added exactly where your cursor was. If you need to edit your citation, like for example, if it is a direct quote and you need to add page numbers, again, place your cursor where you want to add the in-text citation. Click Add Edit Citation, select your resource, then click the blue resource bubble to see an editing box. Here, go ahead and enter the page numbers. Click Enter, then the arrow again, and you will see the citation correctly added with page numbers. Step 3. Creating a reference page or bibliography. When you're ready to add a reference list or bibliography, place your cursor where you want to add it and click Add Edit Bibliography. Zotero will automatically pull in every source you cited into your paper and format them according to your chosen style. And if you add a new citation later, Zotero automatically updates your reference page, so you don't ever need to manually add any of your sources. Step 4. Editing reference information. If you need to edit a reference, such as correcting an author, name, or title, do so in your Zotero library, not directly in Word. After updating the resource in Zotero, click Refresh in the Word menu. Word will automatically sync the changes and update your in-text citations and reference list. Step 5. Changing your citation style. If need be, you can change your citation style at any time. Just click Document Preferences in the Zotero menu and select a new style. Then select Refresh, and Zotero will instantly reformat all of your in-text citations as well as your bibliography. And that's it. Using Zotero 7 with Microsoft Word Desktop makes citing sources and creating reference pages fast, accurate, and stress-free. Remember, always manage your references in Zotero and let it handle the formatting in Word for you.